Welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 casting, so it's new for Hot Wheels. It's a Gordon Murray Automotive T50s. If you're really unfamiliar with the automotive scene, Gordon Murray is the famous designer who designed the McLaren F1. So you will see some inspirations here. He set up his own company now. So I like the color already. I like the casting already. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So the first thing you will notice is the orange paint. It's got some metallic flake in it. Looks really good. I think this will look amazing in sun. It will pop out so much. Usually I start from front. So let's do that. So up front, you've got some nice details. You got detailed headlamp, you got the badge, you got this big front lip, because that's all about aerodynamics. We'll talk about that when we go to back. Scoop on the top, so again, more aerodynamic stuff. You got single windshield wiper, I guess. Yep, because it's more of a cockpit. Small vents up there, again, looks really good. More aero stuff. So normally after front I go to the driver's side, but this one has a central driving position just like McLaren F1. Gordon Murray especially does that, I guess. So let's start from this side, I'll just say. So on this side, again, you've got some good details. I don't know how clear you can see, but I think it's one of the best detailed Hot Wheels has done. This is like a carbon fiber, especially for a mainline. Good details. You got the vents, you got the door handle here. The wheels, we might have seen it on different Hot Wheels before, but they really suit this one. The black wheels up and back, and they're different size. They're not the same size. Let's move the back, and this is something really special. This car has a fan in the back to create more downforce. And what can I say? I'm amazed by this. You got diffuser here, big diffusers. You got the exhaust tips down there, tail lamps, big grille, big spoiler. Again, got some vents on the top. Like, it's an amazing design, I would say. And Hot Wheels has done a great job to capture this. Now on this side, you can see a fuel filler cap, which we didn't see on the other side. So again, good details. I think it's one of the best looking casting this year, especially with all the details and everything. And I'm pretty sure we will soon see a premium of this one. I'm waiting for that. If you like these kind of cars, even if you don't like these kind of cars, go have this in your collection. You will love it. I like the roof, I like all the design, all the aerodynamics, features there. Everything comes together, looks so great. Yeah, well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.